If you have a contractor and he's not hauling away all the dirt, get him out of your yard. Do not let him be a part of your project before he screws up the money that you put aside for that project. We see it all the time. These guys come in, they're not equipped. They can't haul away all the dirt. They don't want to dig very much dirt out. They don't want to haul away very much dirt. And they don't want to sell you very much stone. Even though they charged you for it, they're going to shortchange you on stone. We give our clients their money's worth. These drains, we've been putting them in for 40 years. The first one works as good as the last. Never put the dirt back in. Never ever put the dirt back in. Always take that dirt and haul that dirt off. When building a French drain, always haul all the dirt away. Never put the dirt back in. If you see a contractor putting in a French drain for you, and he's got the dirt piled up on the side of the trench, what he's going to do is he's going to put one pipe in with a little bit of stone, and then he's going to push all that dirt back in. Now, he basically gave your French drain an expiration date at the time of install, because I'll tell you what will happen. It will actually work in the beginning, and I'll tell you why. When you push dirt back in, it has air voids in it. No matter how well you pack it down, it's going to have some voids. So you take this dirt, you push it in on top of the stone, you grate it flat. Water is actually going to move through that dirt until it becomes compacted. Once the dirt becomes compacted, the French drain doesn't work anymore. You do not see dirt on either side of this trench. We're not going to save the dirt. If the dirt was any good, we probably wouldn't be here in the first place. This is clay. There's no percolation in this subsurface soil. You can see the guys are digging the trench across the yard. We have, even after a rain, it's going to be in far better shape. You can see we're on 3 sides of the home. This is done excavating. This has been completely excavated. All the dirt has been hauled off. Did you see dirt anywhere? There's no dirt on either side of this trench. We have 2 mini loaders running the dirt. We have another one over here. So we come in with 2 gooseneck, and the dump body is 20 feet. These are 25,000 pounds. It's what they're rated for. And if you're going to do this, I highly recommend investing in these. This one is full. We're going to fill up the second one. 3 sides, no dirt on either side of the trench. I can't stress that enough. The number one thing you need to do to have a really good French drain is do not put any of the dirt back. If you hire a contractor, let them know that you are not going to allow that. That they're going to fill it full of pipe and stone. A French drain that's full of pipe and stone, and it doesn't have any of the original dirt put back on top of it, they last forever. It's a big vein of stone and pipe. Nothing's going to happen to it if you install it correctly. We give the client their money's worth in pipe and stone. If you're a drainage contractor and you can't give your client 10-year warranty, something's wrong. When your French drains are failing in 2 years' time, something's wrong. And everybody knows what a failed French drain looks like. It looks like a French drain that was built with 1 pipe, only wide enough for 1 pipe, less stone, and then even putting some of the dirt back in. You have to haul away all the dirt. Do you see dirt piled up on either side of this trench? No, because we hauled it all away. We're not going to put any of the dirt back in. All right, here's our gooseneck dump. So that little tiny 60-foot French drain, look at all the dirt that came out. Pretty amazing, huh? I mean, this is a big, this is a gooseneck. Look at that. So that's not a little dump trailer, it's a big one. All that dirt came out of that little 60-foot drain. And we replaced all the dirt that we took out with pipe and stone. We're putting in a French drain system. We're hauling away all the dirt we dig out. What to do when you want to build a French drain that lasts forever? We've never had a French drain fail in 40 years. All of them. The very first one runs as good as the last one we put in.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about yard drainage, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.